Ginger water recipe. Lose weight and be healthier using this powerful spice. Ginger has long been valued for its medicinal properties, and these are attributed to the healthy nutrients and antioxidants present in this powerful spice. According to a review published by the Journal of the New York Academy of Sciences in 2017, ginger brings many positive effects to the body, including lowering cholesterol, blood sugar, blood pressure, reducing weight, and fighting long-term illnesses like obesity and diabetes. So ginger truly is an all-around spice as it improves our overall health, weight loss included. In a study published in the Journal of Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition, results show that ginger intake significantly decreased the weight of obese individuals. Ginger aids in weight loss by speeding up metabolism to burn fat. It also helps slow down the emptying of the stomach, which means that you'll feel full for a longer time and not overeat. Moreover, ginger prevents the amount of cortisol from increasing in the body. Cortisol, or the so-called stress hormone, as the name implies, is a hormone that's mainly produced at times of stress. High cortisol level in the body is undesirable since it leads to increased blood sugar, digestive and sleeping problems, and weight gain. So today, we'll be teaching you an easy way to use ginger to reap its amazing health and weight loss benefits. First, boil around 3.5 to 4 cups of water in a pot. Once the water has boiled, add about 2 inches of peeled and grated ginger to the water. Then turn off the heat, cover the pot, and leave it for 5 minutes. Lastly, strain the mixture and you now have ginger water that you can drink every day. You can drink it whichever way you want, hot or cold, and you may also add some flavor to it using honey or lemon. This ginger water helps eliminate bloating and get rid of water weight. Every morning, drink it while your stomach is still empty to kickstart your metabolism. Also, drink it 15 to 20 minutes before meals. This drink is filling, which helps you regulate your appetite and not eat too much. In just a few days, you'll start seeing results, and when that happens, don't forget to eat a well-balanced diet and stay active. Pairing your daily ginger water intake with a healthy lifestyle would bring long-lasting changes to your overall health. Among the other health benefits of drinking ginger water are: first, it promotes heart health. Studies have shown that ginger helps prevent heart attack and stroke by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. It also prevents the buildup of harmful fats that clog the arteries, which is a huge factor in keeping the heart healthy. But before you move on with the video, if you're finding this info helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more helpful and informative videos, and click on the bell icon to be updated once we have a new upload. Ginger water also has pain-relieving effects. Ginger has long been used to treat ailments characterized by swelling and pain, like osteoarthritis and rheumatism, which are indicated by swollen and aching joints. Furthermore, according to the book Herbal Medicine, Biomolecular and Clinical Aspects, ginger is effective in relieving painful menstrual cramps and was even found to be as powerful as the popular pain relief medicines ibuprofen and mefenamic acid. And lastly, ginger has anti-diabetic properties, since it can help control the body's blood sugar levels. Studies have also shown that ginger helps in reducing the damaging complications of diabetes, including kidney disease, increased blood sugar, body fat, and obesity. It's fascinating how this one spice can bring endless benefits to our health. And just like ginger, there are countless other spices and herbs that you can use as a supplement and to treat common ailments at home. Some of them you're already using in your kitchen every day, or perhaps a few of them can be found in your backyard. To learn about them, simply use the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, which contains 800+ beneficial plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It also has recipes of teas, essential oils, salves, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has high-definition, color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. Check out the link in the description below to find more info about the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. And that sums up today's video. I hope you've learned something new today. Comment down below what other spices you want to learn about next. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we have a lot more informative videos to share with you soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.